Hi everyone, Judy Wood. Let me just show you how to create that final stage of creating a print-ready PDF. I'm going to use exercise 1 from typography 1 for this exercise, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go into File. I'm in Illustrator for this. It's slightly different in InDesign. It has a preset, but for this exercise, this is from Illustrator. So I'm going to do a file. This file has already been saved as an AI. I'm going to save a copy at this point. And this copy is going to be a PDF. And I can get rid of the word copy because I don't need that in my naming convention. Put it somewhere that you can find it. So I'm going to stick that into my exercise 1 folder. I'm creating a PDF. I'm going to say save. A dialog box is going to come up. As opposed to a default Illustrator file, I'm going to go down to a PDF X4 2008. Why I use this particular format is because it supports live transparency. Now I don't have a lot of, I don't have any gradients, shadows, transparencies in this particular layout, but you might. So what I'm suggesting is let's get in a good practice of creating this. This is a solid foundation. It's not to say that some of the other formats are not good, and you may have an experience from a printer that says please provide this, and they'll give you a profile to use depending on the complexity of your project and the print supplier that you're working with. But chances are 99% of the time this will be a solid PDF for you. Okay, so here's my general PDF X4 2008. Here's my general settings, all good. I'm going to go down to this marks and bleeds setting, and I'm going to click on all printers marks. And I will use document bleed settings because you can see here that that red line, I've actually included a bleed. Don't need to have it for this exercise because I have nothing that's extending past my trim line to the bleed mark, but just as good practice, include that because it's already going to be there, and just in case, because your PDF won't have it otherwise. So that's all I need to do here. I'm not going to worry about any of the other defaults for this particular exercise. I'm going to say save. It's going to say saving this may disable editing functions because it's going to lock down this PDF. That's okay. This is a copy, remember, we're not adjusting from the actual AI file. And now when I go and look at my file, I'm going to head out to I believe I stuck it in. I should have paid attention. Week 2. No, it was in assignment demos. How silly of me. Of course, this is where I put it. Here is the file. Open that one up. It'll open in Acrobat. Now, if you don't have Acrobat set as your default setting, you may open this in preview. I'm going to tell you to pay attention to that. What you might need to do when you see your file, do a right click and open with, and make sure you're using Acrobat. That will give you more functionality. As you go through this course, you're going to find your PDFs are not behaving in what you're expecting. So just make sure you have that. But you can see here that I have crop marks. I have some printer's marks, some registration marks, grayscale, and color density marks. Some of these are not necessary for some printers, but for this exercise moving forward, let's assume this is our status quo. I hope this was helpful, and this is what we will trim when we are in class. Thank you.